Hi guys, good morning. So we are here right now at La Playa Beach Resort. So Virgil is already there in the school. So we're just relax here together with my friends. They're at the back. So nice, but it's high tide. I mean low tide this morning. Low tide. So it's been long time that we're not been to this beach here. So we're just relax here while waiting for our kids there in the school. As you can see, I'm gonna show you the ocean view this morning. So this time it's low tide. Maybe it be later the high tide. So it's a lots of people there now swimming. It's another hot day here in the Philippines. It's 9:30 in the morning here. The water is so calm this morning. So they already have some customers here in the restaurant. This is a nice beach to relax, to unwind. And look at that beautiful mountain there from the distance. So after our house renovation, finally that we can relax our mind too. I can't wait our mini vacation, but it be next year. Hopefully in our anniversary we can do some mini vacation, short vacation. So we're gonna save for that so that we can enjoy both with my husband. As you can see that palm boat there. So lots of people there on the beach right now. Some of them do some fishing there. They're doing some fishing. It's a little blurred. I adjust my camera. So this resort here, they have some cottages. As you can see my previous videos, I do some vlog in this resort. I think it's 300 man today, no? Cottage nila 300 pesos for one cottage. If you rent, it's much cheaper compared to the city, because over there in Cebu it's more expensive compared here. And also they have some rooms here that you can rent, but I think this time I don't know if this you still can rent it, because it looks like it's not been finished. As you can see there on the top, but there in the bottom in there you can hold your birthdays, weddings there. They have that function holder down there. But I think you can use the rooms also, because I remember that one of my friend rent there. I think the rooms is okay, but in that side there is not totally finished yet. So if you visit here in Negros Oriental, here in our place, you can visit this La Playa Beach Resort. It's really nice beach, and also they have delicious foods here in the restaurant, in this restaurant here, and it's also affordable. It's beautiful day. It's another hot day here. and it's another solar day for us. Finally guys, we can use our solar, because when they do some work, when they work their house, when they work our house, we can't use solar because they use some welding, so we can't use solar. It's only limited. So now we are in full solar, so we can save money for that. It's really nice. The water is so clear. And the people is enjoying themselves swimming. If you live here in Valle Hermoso, it's free. The entrance is free. But their entrance fee is only cheap. It's only, I think, 10 pesos. It's cheap compared to the other beach resort. Here is only 10 pesos. And as you can see that they have some big space that you can walk around. This is where we held the birthday of my grandma last time. It's my two friends. They are busy. Their phone. So serious. So serious. See, this is the restaurant there. It's so windy here also. It's not you can relax because you can feel the fresh air, ocean breeze. As you can see, as you can hear the wave, it's going to be high tide soon. So I just do some short video this time, so I hope you guys are doing good, and I really do appreciate my new subscriber out there. Thank you so much, and I really do appreciate for watching my videos, and also always supporting my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it all, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support and for your generosity. And I'm gonna do again a video. So there's a kid there. I think he's looking for seashells. He's enjoying. He's looking for something there in the sand. Thank you so much again for watching my videos and for always being with me, and I'll see you guys again on my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless us all. Take care, guys.